Effect on Lewin group. Lewin group affecting both SN1 and SN2 reactions because in both form the breakage of Rx carbon and Lewin group occur. Remember, best Lewin group is the weakest base. Let's consider this diagram. This is carbon of substrate. This is Lewin group. If this base is strong, if this is a strong base, so this connection will be strong, because strong base can easily donate its lone pair, and so this connection, this relation will be strong, and the release of this will be difficult. So if this is weak base, so it cannot easily share its lone pair, so this connection will be weak. So this will be best leaving, because it is easily leave this carbon and it will difficultly leave this carbon. So the best leaving group is weak base. This is weak base, good nucleophile. This is strong base, bad nucleophile. Consider this is the best nucleophile with bigger size, and this is the not good nucleophile in case of SN2 when we are using Protex solvent. This is again next explanation. This connection is very loose, so will easily leave carbon. This connection is strong, will not easily leave carbon. Again इसकी electronegativity कम है, इसकी electronegativity कम ज़्यादा है, so there will be strong bond, there will be weak bond. It can easily leave this carbon, it will not easily leave this carbon. Solvent is aprotic. Effect of solvent or media on SN2. Remember the previous discussion. Protex solvent are those solvent in which hydrogen is connected with electronegative atom directly, for example water. So if the nucleophile is small like fluorine, so smaller fluorine having more localized electrons and with more electronegativity, so this hydrogen will tightly bond, and this fluorine is not available to react with substrate, so the reaction will be slow, and this is not a good nucleophile when solvent is a Protex. Again, this Protex solvent, when size of the nucleophile is bigger size, so this bond of hydrogen and this is weak, so this is free to leave this solvation and can easily react with the substrate with faster rate. That's why this is a good nucleophile. This is a good nucleophile if the solvent is Protex. In case of aprotic solvent in which hydrogen not directly connected to electronegative atom, for example DMSO, dimethyl sulfoxide. This is dimethyl DMSO. DMSO and nucleophile, there is no salvation. So this fluorine is free to react with substrate and the reaction is fast. This is smaller size, more electronegative, and can easily react with substrate. Again, in case of larger nucleophile, no salvation, no effect with solvent. But due to the larger size, these electrons are not localized, so the reaction with this substrate is slow. When the reaction with this substrate is slow, this is not a good nucleophile when the solvent is a aprotic. In case of SN2 reaction, we need Protex solvent, we need aprotic solvent. In case of SN2 reaction, we need aprotic solvent, not Protex, because Protex solvent are needed when there is need of ionization. So in case of SN1, we need ionization of the substrate, so that favor the Protex solvent. While in the SN2 reaction, we don't need any ionization of the substrate, so aprotic solvent is best choice. Thank you for listening.